Good morning everyone! Andito ako ngayon sa project ko na Antel Grand Village. And Aniana, and today nandito ngayon sa Grand Riverdale. This is the live footage at ang dami na pong nagpapagawa ng bahay ngayon dito sa Grand Riverdale. Mapapansin nyo na bawat monument and property mayroon siyang nakatanim na puno. At ito yung pinaka main entrance or the main gate at napakalapit nito going sa ating swimming pool. Meron tayo 7 swimming pools. May pavilion area, may clubhouse area, may sand area and slide. Then dito sa likod, meron kang skating rink at ang property natin ay nakabakod lahat. By the way guys, itong Antel Grand Village is located Barangay Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite, master planned by the Fox and Associates. It's 22 minutes drive to Manila via Cavitex, kaya napaka-accessible na tong property na ito. Mapapansin nyo rin, mayroon tayong iba-ibang design ng bahay dahil dito sa Antel Grand Village, pwedeng lot only and open dito sa lahat ng engineers, contractors, and architects, and pwede dito sa lahat ng design. Magpapa-approve lang kayo dito sa amin. And for now, we have lot only 100 square meters at ang maganda dito ay available sa bank loan for 10% down payment payable for 15 months and then the 90% through bank financing. At dito naman sa Grand Riverdale, mayroon tayo ditong lot only for 15% down payment and the 85% balance through bank financing. So every day we have free tripping from Jcomoa, SM Mall of Asia, and SM Bacoor, SM Tansa Cavite, SM General Trias, and sa lahat ng SM Mall, SM Manila. And the same time, dito sa Antel Grand Village, napakalapit dito sa Ayala Mall, the SNR Mall, and going to the Cavite Laguna Expressway, it's just 5 minutes. Kaya napakaganda ng strategic location, which napaka-convenient ng property. So, ang property natin, lagi nag-appreciate, kaya ito as magagamit nyo as retirement property or emergency fund or etc. So, pwedeng gawing mortgage and pwedeng gawing gift sa inyong mga loved ones. Once again, if you're interested or anyone interested to buy and invest at a property dito sa Antel Grand Village and Aniana, contact us today on the numbers visible on the screen. So, my name is Ray. Thank you so much and God bless everyone.